here. It's finally here. I have been waiting quite a while for this. It's finally here. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. Let's get this opened up. I'm using a compass because I can't find a single blade anywhere in the house. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, this is taking a bit of work. By a bit of work, I mean more work than I like to do. Oh god. This is from Newegg, by the way. So, in these best laptop, the best laptop of 20. Oh, that's heavy. That is heavy. All right. That's such an overhead shot. So wait, before that, let's just look at how good that box looks, dude. That looks so good. I got the white one because I bought it from Newegg, and well, it's pretty cheap on Newegg in comparison to actually buying it from Qatar, where it's like 2,000 riyals more, and it's finally here. All right, let's get this thing opened. So not a huge angle change, because this is the best I could do. With a little handle and stuff as well. That's pretty cool, I guess. Can't really get an overhead shot. The table just isn't big enough. But let's get this opened. Whew. All right, so how do I? Okay, that is. Okay, is there more tape somewhere? Am I missing tape? No, I'm not missing tape. All right. It should be opening, but it's not. All right, there we go. There we go. Oh God. There it is. Whew. Look at that. Right, I'll open. Where do I keep this? I'm just gonna keep that down there. See what else we get in the box. The ergo lift. Alright, so that's something that Asus has with their Republic of Gamers stuff. When you open up the boxes, the laptop just like pops out, but mine didn't. Alright. Ooh, that's shiny. What do we have in here? Can't get this opened. Hold up. Oh, there we go. We got some warranty info. Who needs that? Leave. Oh yeah, the Elite rewards. They have it on hold right now. Last I checked. Temp whatever. We got congrats on. Okay, I'll check this out later. No stickers. That sucks. I do wish that Asus would give stickers with this laptop. It's a pretty high-end one. Now, what else? Let's get this open. We have the charging brick. I love this design because it just looks so good. Okay, wait, let me see if you guys can see it. Hold up. All right, there we go. I just love this design. Let me get it opened up. Hold up. There we go. I really like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hold up. All right, there we go. With the ROG logo right there. That looks pretty sick. What else? Anything else in here? No, that box is empty. Anything under there? Nope, just some weird stuff. What's in here? We have the cable, which is not really that helpful because I live in Qatar and this is the American cable or whatever. How do I open this? Right, there we go. Okay, yeah, there's a little Velcro there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Looks pretty sick though. All right, let's check out the laptop now, shall we? All right, I just noticed that the brightness was a bit off in the other clip, but yeah, here's the charger cable. has that American style. I need to get an adapter for that. But the box is pretty empty. If you can see right there, we have ROG. Let it focus. There we go. ROG, Republic of Gamers. Join. Is that like cut off or something? I don't know. Right, but this is a pretty sick box. Alright, I really like this. They have ROG. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, I can. Alright, there's a little ROG written over there. But let's put the box aside for now and look at what we're here to see. This 14-inch gaming beast. Now, I got the white version because I wanted this is the Ryzen 9 edition. Wait, hold up. Let me just set that down and run. Let me get it open, alright? Alright, no. Okay, I wasn't able to open it. So I want to do it on camera or whatever. So this is the Ryzen 9 4800 HS edition. And with an RTX 2060 Max Q. How do I get this open? Alright, back here. Right, there we go. Okay. That's kind of hard to get out. Give me a second here. Oh, okay, that's not. That is not coming out easy. Alright, hold on. There we go. Whew, that is clean. That is very clean. We got the Republic of Gamers established 2006 right there. It looks pretty sick. Whew. The back we have a little Windows logo. Alright, let's get this. Whew. Ooh. That ergo lift though, dude. The keyboard just raises itself up whenever you open it. Let me get the camera in here. Hold up. Right. Just look at that. Supreme quality. Has the finishing of a... Okay, that just looks so good. Does it have power? We do not have power. Alright, let me quickly get this charged up and I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so the laptop just finished charging. Here it is. The Asus Zephyrus G14 in all of its glory. I have a Ryzen 9 4800HS and an RTX 2060 Super or Max Q 2060 Max Q in here. So you got the Iron Man. We got haven't even started it out yet, so none of the softwares and whatnot are installed. But I must tell you, this is one of the best AMD CPU-based laptops out there, if not the best. And I would highly recommend you to get one. So one of the perks that I wanted to mention right away is that you see this home button right here. It's a fingerprint scanner too. I'll be talking more on that when I upload the review, maybe a week later at most. Within the week, it'll be here. So the keyboard does have backlighting, but I would not recommend to use it because, well, I'll show you. Hold up. Let me set the camera down here. Alright, give me a second. So this is with the backlighting on. Look how bad that is. It looks decent on camera, but nah. It is not something I would ever recommend. A few people have gotten lucky with their lighting and got pretty decent ones. I did not, however, so that kind of sucks. So let's go over a few things while we're here. Anyways, before I do the review, the official review. So spacebar has this like spacebar has this like extension so that you can for gamers. Now, we have no Ethernet port, unfortunately, but on the side, as you can see, there's a little USB-C port right there that goes out to DisplayPort, and you can use it to charge the laptop as well. Not, amazing gaming level charging, but it'll be pretty good. And this laptop can get up to 10 hours of battery life. I might make a video on how to set up the G14 to get the maximum out of it, like 10-hour battery life and all that stuff. But maybe not. I will be sure to keep you guys updated on that. So that's the G14, well, at least the unboxing of it. I am planning to do a quick better battery life video and also a review, proper review. Those will be out within the next week or so, hopefully. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, share, subscribe, do all that, press the little notification bell icon and stuff. With all that said, this is Agent 6075 signing off. Have a good one.
Were you even listening?